Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up some discounts codes on your Shopify store in 2024. So today we're diving into an exciting world of discounts codes, which is a powerful tool to attract some customers and even boost your sales. Whether you are running a promotion rewards, royal like some loyal customers for some loyal customers, or even just encouraging new visitors to make a purchase, discounts code can be a significant impact for you. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and access your Shopify admin panel. To do so, go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you can use whatever you want. Go to this URL section. Basically, just go to your Shopify store. So type shopify.com, hit the enter button. You'll find yourself here. Make sure to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, go and create a new account. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of creating or logging in into your account. So for me, I'm just going with a free trial. So every store I created, as you can see, it's run out after 3 days. So I'll just go here and create a new store. So click on all store here, create a new store. As you can see, all those stores are inactive because of course here, if you are just creating your store, you can answer those questions so they can customize your store depending on whatever you want. For me, I'll just click on skip all because that does not matter for me. And here I'll keep clicking on next and I should be good to go. As you can see, they are building my store right away. So as we said, to add your discounts code, you'll need to go and access your admin panel or basically dashboard like this one in here. Now, once you are here, of course, make sure to navigate into the discount section located on this left menu. As you can see, you'll find it right here. Click on that. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll find yourself with this page: manage discounts and promotions, create discount code, and automatic discounts that apply at checkout. You can also use discount to with compare at prices, as an example. So if you click on that, as an example, they will take you to another page. So meanwhile, while it's loading, we'll just go here. Okay, so it's open. As you can see, so sit and sell prices for products as an example. So there's an article here which will help you understand about this as an example a little bit. So make sure to read this out if you care. So depending on the variants, example, if you have like some black t-shirts, some white t-shirts, you can put different discounts for each of them. So now we'll basically just go here and click on create discount in the middle or at the top option. Of course, if you have some discounts, you can always export them. If you have another store at, I don't know, Etsy, Amazon, or something like that. So here, I'll just go and click on create a discount. As you can see, you will have first of all to select the discount type. Amount of all products, as an example, discount specific products or collection of products, or discount products or buy X gets Y, as you can see, which is discount products based on customer purchase, or amount of order, discounts the total amount or the total order amount, or offer free shipping on an order. So what type of discounts or code you want to have or to add. As example, I'll add 4 types so you can see each type what it has. So as example, we'll start by this amount of. As example, here you'll have to enter a discount code from you. If you don't want to enter your own discount code, you can simply click on generate a random code and they will generate one. As you can see, if it seems for you a little bit hard, you can put something that is more easy to remember. Like an example, I'll just put here maybe because it's 2014, so I'll just put 2 as an example, K, not 214, so 2024. So I'll just put something like that, an example, with sale as an example. So sale, all this is all capitals. So I'll just do here like this. So 2K24 sell as an example. The discount value as example, do you want it to be percentage of the amount or of the order or the product that they're gonna buy, or a fixed amount? It's a fixed amount, just simply enter something here and enter the amount that it's going to be the fixed amount of it. If it's a percentage, make sure to simply enter the percentage. Maybe it's 20% or something like that. So depending on whatever you want. Applies to specific products or specific collections, whatever you want. And if you click here on browse, you'll find all the products that you have. For me, I have no products because I just created my account. So for you, choose the product that you want to apply that specific discount to, the specific collection or specific product, depending on whatever you want. Then here you have some minimum purchase requirements. If you have some minimum purchase requirements to apply this discount, make sure to add them. If you don't, click on no. If you have, as an example, minimum purchase amount, maybe 100 of my currency here, or minimum quantity, maybe they have to get like 2 in order to get this 20% discount. And for customer eligibility, as you can see, do you want all customers to have this discount or just some specific customer segments or some specific customers? For example, you can browse them from here if you have your contacts informations already. Example, like customers who haven't purchased yet, customer who have purchased more than once, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, or email subscribers, or customers who have purchased at least once. Depending on whatever you want. You can set all customers if you want everyone. Then here you have the maximum discount uses. If you have a limited number of times discounts can be used in total, make sure to enter that one in here. If you don't, make sure, as an example, here you have limit to one use per customer. So if you don't want to have limits, don't check any of those options. But normally people would like to put a limit because you don't want people to keep using this discount and share it with others so they use it over and over. So limit number, of course, of time the discount can be used in total. So as an example, if someone somehow shared the discount with his friends, so you don't want, as an example, everyone to have the discounts in the internet. And maybe he shares in the internet. So make sure to put maybe 20 times this discount should be used, or 100 times should be used in total, and 1 time per person. Then here you have the combination. Of course, this can be combined with product discount or shipping discounts. What you want, you can even put both. As you can see, product discount is no product discounts are set to combine to let customer use more than one discount, set up at least one product discount that combines with product discount. And for this one, as you can see, no shipping discounts are set to combine to let customers use that example, sets at least one shipping discount that combines your products. And here you can set up the active dates. So it starts, an example, from today. And when, if you wanna set a date to end, you can simply check this option and set it to end. If you don't, no need to do it. And yeah, once you finish, click on save discount. And yeah, of course, here for me, I'll just change this from product to collection and click on browse. I'll just do this homepage in here and click on save discount. And as you can see, I should have discount ready to use. Here is it. So of course I can make it inactive whenever I want. I can, as an example, I'll just go here and I can deactivate it or promote it as an example, however I want, and that should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.